What's up, folks? Today's the 13th of August, Thursday, 2009. Welcome back to the video. And still feeling like crap here today, and I don't expect to make many good trades. Well, I'm not gonna put on a trade if I don't think it's gonna do well, but I don't really expect to to do too well. Maybe a $500 day. S&P pre-market. Alright, trying to get in this Endest pre-market. Trying to get 5,000 shares. I mean 500 shares at 41.75. Looks like I may get it. It's a gap down 10%. And it announced better than expected second quarter profits. But yesterday it went up 3.7%, and it just decided to sell off today. Not sure really due to what, but I'm gonna be looking to trade this on the long side, expecting some sort of bounce. So the market opens in about a minute. I'll be back when the market opens, of course. I got a little chicken shit, so cancel out my order. I think it may get a little lower. Market's gonna open up in 15 seconds here. Let's see what happens. Our market's opened up, and as you can see, I'm glad I canceled out this order. So we're going a lot lower. Alright, I'm gonna go on pause and hope to be back with some good trades, guys. Alright, just went 1,000 shares long. I'm in at 40.66. Let's see what this thing does here. We'll be back to update soon. Here it goes. It's got a nice little pop going. I'll try to get as much of this as possible. Trying to get $1,000 out of it, to be honest. So looking for that bid to hit 41.66. Hit the sell button. I might just get out 500. I just sold 500, so I made a 375 on that. Let's see what else this gives me. I'm gonna go and pause. Here it goes. That's actually starting to go green. I'm in the money pretty big right here. I'm gonna take the rest off right there. So I'm up 12.20, and that turned out to be a great trade. And on to the next one, guys. That's how it's done. We're checking out this GSIC, and it's kind of trading with the market. Might look to hit it for a long. Want to see it come down to 17.10. Looks like I'm missing a little scalp move anyway. I might just look at something else. We're gonna try to bid my way into this. Trying to get in at 17.15. It's a cent above the low. Let's see if they want to give it to me. I'm showing that I'm willing to take 1,000 shares. I'm showing them. So let's see if they give it to me. I just change it out to 17.17. This looks like we're gonna get the pop. and only showing them 100 shares this time around. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna go on pause. I wasn't really getting hit, so decided even just go out on a limb and try to get them at 17.15. Still believe that it can come down to 17.10 due to the pre-market action, and you can see the stochastics haven't gone oversold yet, so they are pointing downwards. So I think it still has a little pullback left in it. Anyway, in the meantime, I might just trade something different instead of watching this, wasting my time. Yeah, looks like I'm pretty much just gonna miss the move. Well, in the 1 minute, looks like it's starting to break out of that little triangle it made. So I just cancel that out and look at something else. Alright, just went long on this Endest, 500 shares. I'm looking to scalp it. Drew in a Fibonacci retracement, and looks like it may break below that, but that's fine. I think it's gonna pop from here. And probably come back up to this to the halfway retracement, which is at around 70 something. We may pick up another 500 if it goes a lot below this. So I'm gonna go and pause. So I could maybe pushing back down to 41. I'll be looking to get some more right there. Did we push back down to around 41? So picked up another 500. So we got 1,000 shares right now. Average entry 41.32, and I think it's gonna stay around this range. If anything, like I said, still gonna retrace back up to the halfway point on the Fibonacci, and we're gonna have to break through this 38% retracement, or whichever it may be, at 41.37. That's what I'm looking for. A real action, a real break to occur is right there. So anyway, going on pause. Be back to update this. One thing that scares me a bit here is we did get hit with a downgrade on Endest, so it's a little scary, like I said. So I'm really hoping that it's going to break through this retracement level. It was downgraded at 920, so let's see what happens here. Still looks good for a pop though. Alright guys, man, was able to get out of this thing with a small loss. Learning my lesson here, and I'm down to 11.45, and gonna look to trade something else. Just really glad I got out of that with a small loss. Unbelievable how it came down like that. I should have just cut it earlier, realizing that that it had that downgrade. Anyway, learn your lesson. Alright, on to the next one. Just went long on the CLF. I think it's right about to break out to the highs, and pretty much at the high at 28.08, and I'm gonna cut this if it breaks 28. But this thing's up just 74 cents, and may give us some more percentage move percentiles. Well, like I said, if it breaks 28, I'm just gonna cut it. I'm gonna take the loss. Just playing this really on the momentum. I go be back to update this. We broke out to highs 28.10. Let's see if it doesn't give us one of these wicks. Looks like it probably is. It's just my luck right now. Alright, going back on pause. Alright, just took a loss on this. So, down to 1083, and I just showed you guys two bad trades.